Hey guys, it's day 4. It's our last day here, and I'm so excited. We had breakfast in the room today because we had room service delivered, and now we're gonna go do like a brain teaser thing. I don't know. Let's go, mommy. Me and mom are just chilling, prioritizing, and of course, watching Blue's
Have you
Clues.
seen Blue?
She just helped us dig a hole.
And remember, Blue's paw print will be on the clothes. Blue's Clues. Oh, I know what you're thinking. We should probably clean up first, right? Okay. Did you see a clue?
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there.
Behind you.
It's right there. No,
Where's the clue?
it's right there. Steve, look. Oh my god. He's worse than
I can't
Dora.
find it.
Oh my god. You're helpless. Right there. Look. Yay.
You know what we need to do now? Write it down in our handy dandy.
Yeah, but he never writes it. He just draws it. So, I don't know why he lies to children.
Just draw a circle.
You see? He didn't write it.
Bubble.
Hey, Blue! No, I just realized Steve is really dumb. Like, really dumb. Like, I could have figured it out with just 2 clues, but it took him all 3. And then he thought it was like a sandwich when it was actually a bubble bath. What an idiot, right? all vegetarian. So don't be telling me vegetarians don't eat good, because we do. Look at how cute this swan is. No debating about what it is. We know it's a swan. Unless it's a duck. No, I'm just kidding. It's a swan. It's a swan. And me and Mommy have eaten way too much today. I went ice skating, as you saw. And I'm really tired. We just watched Rampage, the Dwayne Johnson movie. I never planned on seeing that, but it was good for an action movie, you know? It's nothing too special, but it was good, you know? It was a good time. Hey. Yeah. Bye, ship. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you.